Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic moonroof, alloy wheels, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, navigation system, leather upholstery, heated seats, heated steering wheel, auxiliary audio input. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.